This is Inkatha Gaming, and today we got our hands on a Brothers War, the Brothers War pre-release kit. This is the Mishra's Burnished Banner. See what kind of flavor that gets. See what value we get. See what maybe kind of sealed deck we might have been able to build had this been our pre-release kit during a pre-release event. 6-pack, 1 promo pack. Get a dice. Oh, I got a 7. Let's open this up. Pack number 1, the Brothers War. Spoiler, one brother dies. Or does he? Wasteful Harvest, Carrion Logan, Different Jam. Oh yeah, Rust Goliath. Ooh, always love. Separate Lands. Obstinate Bailoff. Repair and Recharge, and a Felden. Ooh, Prismatic Talisman. Love gaining life. Let me know how you feel about gaining life. And if you haven't, check out Extra Life. Great little charity. Recommission. Explosion. Audacity. Gex. Gex. Little punk. Pack 2. So much lore in each of these cards. Whoop. Spoiled that. Ichor Wellspring. Foiled Draconic Destiny. Pack number 4. Throngbolt. Vicious Onslaught. Ron Venom. Versus Power Stone Prodigy. Soul Partition. And a Guide Ledger. Disenchant. Rust Goliath, we're getting quite a few of those. Giant Growth. Island, Dreams of Steel and Oil, and ooh, the Dragon Engine. Keening Stone as well, on the rare. That turns into Path. Mishra. Half of the ultimate form of Mishra. Stern Lesson. Goblin Blaster. Woo. Forging Anchor. Yoshin. Painful Quandary. And a Defense Grid. Ooh. And our promo card. Phyrexian Flesh Gorger. Open, see what else we got. Give out the code for people. Phyrexian Flesh Gorger. It's a worm. And the code for these possible. No expiration date on them. So 1 per account per set. So first come, first serve. Hope you're finding value in everything you're opening up. Let us know what we can do to improve. Please like, share, subscribe, and as always,